Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can change your Twitter email address on Twitter app. Right, so first step, what you need to do here is to click on your profile icon that is on the top left corner, and then you need to click on the settings and privacy, and then you need to click on account, and then you need to click on the email here. And as you can see here, first you need to put your password, and after you do that, press next. And then, as you can see here, you need to put your new email address. And after you do that, press next. And on your new email address, you will get a new code, as you can see here, 072245, and then press verified. And that's how you can change your email address on Twitter app. So guys, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.